Spring is always a promising time for first home buyers, and I believe this year stands out maybe a little bit more than most. Interest rates have fallen a lot, which actually benefits in two ways. So, of course, your home loan repayments will be cheaper. And secondly, it's actually easier to qualify for lending. So even 18 months ago, banks were what's called stress testing applicants at nearly 9% interest rates, which means you needed to prove to them you could manage repayments at that rate. That 9% rate has fallen below 7 now, so that's a substantial increase in borrowing capacity for most people. Additionally, investment markets have performed really well the past year and a half. So a lot of first home buyers use KiwiSaver. There's a good chance that value of their fund has bounced back and risen quite a bit over that 18 months, helping with the deposit. And property investors have returned to the market to some extent. I don't think their presence is as dominant yet as what it has been in the past. So I think this creates a genuine opportunity for first home buyers who often compete in that same price bracket as investors. To support you with buying a first home, we've developed a video course specifically for first home buyers. So it goes beyond just securing finance, it guides you through the whole process of buying a home, because it can be massively overwhelming when you've never done it before. And even your support network of family and friends might not have recent experience with buying a house. It's not something we do all the time. So our course explains how everything fits together, working with lawyers and building inspectors, understanding the process of buying a house, how auctions work, and much more. We've created this resource specifically to make getting started less intimidating for you. So the course is available on our Sense of Worth website. We'll include the link and a coupon code in the notes below. If you register using the coupon code, the price will get reduced to zero. It's just something we're going to do for a limited time just to help people get started with buying their first home.